Solve this equation for x. We have 3x over 4 equals 3 over 6. Now this is the case where we have a fraction equals another fraction, which is called a proportion. Now let me show you something interesting about proportions. For instance, if we have two fractions down here and the left fraction is 1/2, okay? Now 1/2 of a dollar is 50 cents, isn't it? Half a dollar is 50 cents. How many quarters is 50 cents? 2 quarters, okay? So we have two fractions that are equivalent or equals, okay? Now, let me show you something interesting about this. If you do 1 times 4, you cross multiply these. 1 times 4, that's the same thing as 2 times 2. So you go cross this way, you cross the 1 and the 4, and the 2 and the 2. So, if this is true and they both equal 4, then what would you have if you had a bottom of 6? Well, the unknown is right here. Okay, now 1 times 6 is 6. We get 6 going this way. 1 times 6. So we have to have 2 times what? 2 times what is 6? Okay, so x has to be 3. So the way you're going to do this, you're going to say 1 times 6 is 6 divided by 2. 1 times 6 is 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. Anyway, when you cross multiply these, you get the same number. So that's what we're going to do up here. We're going to say 3x times 6, and then we're going to go 3 times 4. Let's do that. 3x times 6, and that equals, and you're going to go the other way, 3 times 4. So on the left side, 3 times 6 is 18x equals 3 times 4 is 12. Okay? The variable is x, the coefficient is 18. We'll divide this by 18 and 12 by 18. Okay, now 12 and 18 have a 6 in common, don't they? Both of these numbers over here can be divided by 6, can't they? So if you divide by 6, you're going to get 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Final answer, 18x over 18 is x, and that equals, the reduced form of 12 over 18 is 2/3. Final answer, x equals 2/3.